Alright guys, we got here after dark, so I'm going to show you the inside of the cabin for now, and then we'll look at the outside tomorrow together for the first time. This is one of the 2-bedroom cottages at Vogel State Park near Blairsville, Georgia. It's so cute. Time for friends, family, and fresh air. Put another log on the hearth, another blanket on your bunk, wind down, read up, catch up. We're glad you're here. Aww. Oh, that must be to our back porch. I think it might overlook the lake. I guess we'll find out in the morning. So we have a very cool fireplace. I think that this is a sofa bed, because it sleeps 6, but we'll see the other bedrooms. Very cute. TV. It does come with Wi-Fi. The kitchen is adorable. Nice high ceilings, fans, lots of recessed lighting. These are amazing. These are way nicer than I thought. I thought they were going to be much more rustic. Got tons of cabinets, a dishwasher, comes with paper towels, dish soap, coffee maker, coffee. Let's see if we've got, oh yeah, it comes with everything. Very nice. We've got a microwave, full stove and oven, full-sized fridge and freezer with ice. All right, let's take a look at this room. Okay, so we've got another TV in here. 2 beds. Goes right into it looks like a private bath. That's really nice. Is this 2 bathrooms? Okay. Oh, how cute is that? Don't mind me, I've only been in the car for 10 hours. Oh, it's got the sliding farm doors. I love those. Oops, sorry, door. All right, let's check out this room. Okay, that one has entry outside, another TV, and a big bed. Another private bathroom, though. Man, this is nice. I am quite impressed. I can't wait to see the outside in the morning and the view. All right, I'm gonna let the rest of my family in now because I made them stay outside while I was showing this off. So they're being very patient. All right, TBD, I'll let you see the outside in the morning. All right, folks, it was a good first night in the cabin. Now let's take a look at our view out the back. There's the lake down there. It was quite a steep and windy road on the way up. I can't imagine how beautiful this view must be, even just a couple of weeks ago before all the leaves fell. I mean, we are surrounded by trees up here. And then look at our cute little back porch. It has access through the living room and through the master suite. There's some outlets out here, lots of rocking chairs, big dining table. Let's see what the temperature is. Okay, we're sitting at 48 Fahrenheit. Not too bad. maybe 47 will go. All right, let's go take a look at the front so you can see the little street that we're on. I forgot to point out the beach area over there. You can see there's a beach right there. That's with a roped off swimming area. Obviously that's closed for the season. And then there's an observation platform and a canoeing kayak rental when it's on season. It's closed for the season though. All right, now let's go look at front. All right, you can see we have the bear-proof trash cans. So I told my parents we should not have left the van wide open while we unloaded last night. But you can see we get a cute little fire pit, a picnic bench out front with a couple of chairs around it. From what I understand, there's quite a few cottages. It's very windy and steep and up and down, but I just love how you're completely surrounded by the woods. They did an excellent job with these. There's Tara performing her duties of passenger vehicle instead of minivan camper this time. All right, folks, there you have it. I just wanted to take you on a quick tour of one of the cabins that you can rent here at Vogel State Park in Georgia, right near Helen almost. It's about a little less than an hour from Helen, Georgia, in Blairsville, although I'm not sure if this is technically in Blairsville, but we'll say Blairsville because right outside the park is. But as always, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be showing you more of the park and campground and some waterfalls coming up soon. I just wanted to hop on and show you this awesome cabin and wish everybody who celebrates a happy Thanksgiving. To those who don't, I just want to wish you a happy day. And to those who are struggling this Thanksgiving or feeling sad, I am sending you a little extra love and hugs. Till next time, bye.